How to fix the issue of no signal in Samsung phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open settings application on your device and go to mobile network. Now here you need to see whether the mobile data option is toggled on or not. If you are outside, simply go to roaming option and allow the permission to turn on this feature. Now after you have turned on roaming, you simply need to see the mobile data option is toggled on or not. Simply turn on mobile data option and choose any one of the SIM for which the mobile data works. After that, simply head back. Now you need to turn on airplane mode and simply turn it off. Once you click on airplane mode, your Wi-Fi will be turned off. Now after you have turned on airplane mode, simply turn it off and then try to use your mobile data. Then the signal will be available. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.